Andromeda's newest celebrities.
What? How do you know who we are?
We go way back. I've been keeping up with you guys. It's nice to see you've learned so much from Clicky.
You know Clicky?
You could say that. I used to go to the NetSmarts neighborhood quite often. But on my last trip, I had a little accident.
Accident? What kind of accident?
Well, my monitoring systems picked up that no-good outlaw Look at This Louie trying to send bad pictures to kids. So I jumped in the Realm Hopper and headed to the NetSmarts neighborhood. Then I crash-landed back here in Andromeda, broke my leg and my motherboard. I haven't been able to travel since.
But you've been checking in, haven't you?
I have, and I don't like what I'm seeing. Look for yourselves.
We've got to get back!
I'm afraid right now, that's not possible.
Well, then we've got to at least get a message to Clicky or something!
That, I think, is much more doable. Let's see if this works.